Hi guys, these are gypsum roof ceiling board. Today I will present a trick that how to make a big size roof gardening tub with this board. Mark the tub to be rectangular. Fix the board together with Scotch tape. Now I fixed 4 boards with Scotch tape. Well, the outside frame is done. Now, fix each joint line with hot melt glue. Now fix the 4 boards together with Scotch tape. Now I will make the inner frame. I cut 2 boards into rectangles by allocating 1-inch space inside. Now, I have cut the gypsum roof ceiling board in small size to give a nice shape to the body of the tub. Now, fixing these small boards to the inside of the outside frame using hot melt glue. It is floored with soft mud. I made foot under the mold by cutting the mud. Then I solidified the floor mold with concrete mixture over it. I made 3 holes in it to drain the water. My floor mold is done. I spread thin polythene on the floor. I placed the outside frame on the floor. I fixed the knob in the holes. I made a concrete mixture using cement and sand to make the floor. It should be remembered that the mixture should be mixed well. Moisten the mixture with enough water. Now I spread the mixture on the floor. After finishing the first layer, next you can use iron net or thick wire or thin rod to keep the floor strong and fixed to the wall. After fixed the floor, I installed the inner frame. Now I filled the concrete mixture inside the mold. While applying, this mixture must be pressed inside and outside with bricks as necessary. Otherwise, the pressure of the mixture may cause the frame to destroy, that ruining the design or rendering the mold unusable. I removed all the boards next day. My desired roof gardening tub is ready. Planted my favorite lemon seedlings with soil in the tub. It is the papaya tree, which is temporary. It will be transplanted elsewhere. I hope you liked this video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to share, like, and comment, if necessary.